The next one is leer. Leer. What is the meaning of leer?
Livre is that book.
No,
Lead is
livre is
something
book.
different.
Leer means to read.
Book.
To
To
read.
read.
Leer means to read.
We.
Shani, Shravan, Supriya. Leer means to read, and the conjugation is je lis, tu lis, il, elle, on lit, nous lisons, nous lisons, vous lisez, il, elle lise. Shivani, Supriya, Shravan.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, can you tell the last one?
il, elle lise. Okay. Can you please tell me why we are pronouncing Z here instead of S? Emmanuel, any idea?
Vowels.
Emmanuel, any idea? Why we are
Yes,
pronouncing S as a Z?
No idea, but yeah, she's very much right that the next word is a wall. That's why we are pronouncing it as Z. But that
Emmanuel,
is a different. It
Emmanuel,
was a different route.
Emmanuel, whenever S comes in between two vowels, single S, I'm talking about
We.
single S. Single
We.
S, whenever it comes in between vowels, we have to change the S sound to Z sound.
We. Got you. Got you. This is something unknown. We.
Then
We.
there means to
Check.
read. Next one is écrire. Écrire. And what is the meaning of écrire?
Sir, can you slowly pronounce it again, please?
Écrire. Suppose normally I'm saying écrire, creed. But whenever there is R, we have to pronounce like écrire. Kha. And we have to sound R from throat. Yes. Écrire.
Achha. Creed.
Écrire. And the meaning of écrire means what you are doing, Shivani, right now.
To
Sorry,
study.
sir?
Écrire means that you are doing right now. Écrire.
To write. To write.
Very good. Écrire means to write.
To write.
And the conjugation is j'écris, tu écris, il, elle, on écrit, nous écrivons,
Nous écrivons.
vous écrivez,
Vous écrivez.
ils, elles écrivent, écrivent, écrivent,
Ils, elles écrivent.
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 Yes. Emmanuel, मैं थोड़ा सा उसको अलग अलग करके बोलूंगा, but at the end we have to make combined spelling like écrire, écrire.
Oui.
Okay. So can you go again, please?
J'écris, tu écris. First three pronunciation are same. Écrit, écrit, écrit.
Yes, sir.
Nous écrivons. Vous écrivez. Ils écrivent. Elles écrivent.
Écrivain won't come in last one.
No. ENT silent. When ENT is silent.
Okay, sir.
Écrive.
No, Saurabh.
Yes,
Sir is miss you, right? Miss you. And madam is madam.
Madam. Monsieur and madame. Monsieur et madame.
Monsieur, madame, monsieur, madame. Oui, oui. Merci beaucoup.
De rien. Okay. Note down this verb also. Fair. Fair. And what is the meaning of fair? Emmanuel, any idea?
Which one? What? I
Fair.
beg your pardon.
Fair. Fair.
Fair, no idea.
Shivani, any guess?
To make.
Very good. Fair means very good. Shravan. Fair means to make or to do.
Me.
Fair has two meanings. First one is to make, and second other one is to do. Fair, and the conjugation is je fais. Supriya,
Yes, sir.
सुप्रिया आपको समझ आ रहा है सब?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fair.
Je
means to
fais
make.
du vélo.
Je fais. Je fais. It's written je fais du vélo, but we have to see first of all the conjugation only. So je fais means I make or I do. Tu fais. Il, elle fait. Nous
Faisons.
nous faisons. Nous faisons. Vous faites.
Vous faites.
Vous faites. Ils, elles font.
Ils font.
Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons. Vous faites, ils, elles font.
Font.
Shivani, normally in French, they divided verbs in three categories like ER, IR, and RE, but there are so many irregular verbs also. And what is the meaning of irregular verbs? The verbs which do not follow any rules are called
Sir, your
irregular verbs.
voice is cutting in between, sir.
Am I
Sir,
audible
you're
now?
not clearly audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, like in French, the verbs are divided in three groups: ER ending verb, IR ending verb, and RE ending verb. But in ER,
Yes,
IR, and RE ending verb, there are so many irregular verbs. And the meaning of irregular verbs means in French, the verbs which do not follow any rules are called irregular verbs. And I will tell you which are the irregular verbs and how to identify irregular verbs. I will let you know.
The regular words which you made is ER, IR, and what else? What is the third one?
RE.
RE. We miss you. Apart from this, all are irregular words which do not follow any rule.
Yes, irregular verbs do not follow any rules. I'm telling you, Shivani, Shravan, and Supriya, we have done ER ending verb. How to conjugate ER ending verb, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shravan,
Yes, sir.
आप कितने बजे उठते हैं रोज?
6 o'clock.
वेरी गुड. चलिए, मुझे ये जानना था आपको अच्छे से हिंदी आती है या नहीं. Okay, it's ER ending verb, right? So je, PARL, je PRLE, you PARL, ES, il, L,
Pagle.
PARLE,
P.
no,
PIRLONS.
ONS, who, PARLEZ,
Z, yeah. ENT.
PARLENT. Right, so this is how we conjugate ER ending verbs. Shivani, Shravan, Supriya, right?
Sir, no
Yes, sir.
parlance. That is not.
Sorry, PRLONS,
V.
right? So partly is regular verb. And how
Yes,
to
sir.
identify partly is regular verb?
Because it
What
is
is
ending with ER.
no, Emmanuel, I am telling you. The spelling of parlay is PRLER. और जब हम इसका conjugation करते हैं, right? तो इसकी spelling में कितना change हो रहा है? बहुत कम, minor change हो रहा है, right? It's starting with PARLE. Shivani, Shravan, Chubriya, the conjugated spelling is starting. The conjugated spelling and the infinitive form is 90% similar.
We can separate both out, like ER and the word. That's all.
No, Shiva. I am telling you, पार्ले की जो स्पेलिंग है, राइट, इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म, और इसका जो कॉन्जुगेटेड फॉर्म है,
Yes,
वो
sir.
कितना सिमिलर है? बहुत सिमिलर है, राइट?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अगर सपोज मैं आले वर्ब की बात करता हूँ, द स्पेलिंग ऑफ आले इज ALLER, इट्स एंडिंग विद ER, राइट? बट द कॉन्जुगेशन इज
Yes, sir.
द कॉन्जुगेशन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम VAIS. दोनों स्पेलिंग में कोई मैच ही नहीं है,
No, sir.
राइट? सो
Yes, sir.
this is called irregular verb.
Where there is not much changes, that one is irregular. Where there's much
No, that
changes,
one is no. When there is not much changes,
It's vice
that
versa.
one is regular verb, and if there is lot change in conjugation form, it is irregular verb.
we.
Then how to conjugate a irregular verb, sir?
We don't have any option, Shravan, for that. For irregular verbs, we have to learn by heart each and every irregular verbs. For
No
irregular verbs, we
shortcuts?
don't. No shortcuts for irregular verbs.
How
Sir,
many?
according to your knowledge, what percentage of irregular words are present?
There are only 40 to 45 irregular verbs. Only 40 to 45.
Okay, sir.
Well, okay.
Yes, sir.
There we have done. Now move to Vanir. Vanir like paneer. Vanir means to come. Vanir means to come. And the conjugation is je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, elle viennent. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, elle viennent. Shravan, Shivani, Subriya.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes, sir. So what does ALLE mean, sir?
sorry.
ALLER. What does it?
Ale means to go. ALLER. It sounds like Ale. Ale means to go.
Okay, sir.
Anybody
Jacques
know?
Antoine.
Anybody knows about Ricky Martin?
Sir, can you
A
repeat
bit,
again?
a bit.
Rick and Morty?
Ricky Martin.
Yeah, I know.
Who is Ricky
He's a
Martin?
homosexual guy. He's a pop star. He's a homosexual guy.
Very good.
And
He's a pop star singer, right?
yeah, he's a pop star singer.
Shivani,
And
Subriya,
I
Shravan, Ricky Martin का एक song था. Shall we go? Ale, ale, ale. Any idea about that?
one of the very famous. Yeah, I heard the
Yes,
song.
sir.
So ale means to go. In Spanish also we use verb ale. In French also we use verb ale. Ale means to go.
We.
Okay. Note down the conjugation. Je vais.
Sir, we did this in first class.
Shravan? Yes, we have done. Alan is to go. No worries. Someone just note down the pronunciation. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons
allons, vous allez,
aller, il, elle
ils
vont.
vont.
Il, elle vont. Turn done.
Done, sir.
Okay, just note down these all three verbs are irregular verbs. Fair is also irregular, venir is also irregular, and ale is also irregular.
Sir, veneer also is irregular.
Yes, venir is also irregular verb. Now note down these verbs, these four verbs. Vouloir. First one is vouloir. Emmanuel, any idea about vouloir?
No, no idea. Vouloir, no idea.
Any
No,
guess?
sir.
Okay, vouloir means to wish or to want. Vouloir means to wish or to want. Yes, Shivani?
Sir, vouloir.
Vouloir. Vouloir.
Vouloir.
Yes, vouloir. And the conjugation is je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut.
Sir, we translate the je veux un café. Can translate the sentence.
Je veux un café means I want a coffee.
Okay, sir.
Je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, il, elle veulent. Je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, il, elle veulent.
Just wall.
One, yes. Everybody
So can you
read
translate the last sentence?
il, elle veulent. Veulent. Il, elle veulent.
Well,
Veulent. And there is printing mistake here. We have to use S here, right? ILS in plural form. Okay,
Yes, sir.
everybody do one thing. Rejoin the class, please.